Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by installing and opening Anydesk on both machines. Make sure both apps are updated. Enter the remote Anydesk address, send the request, and have the other user accept. Once connected, enable file transfer in the Permissions panel so you can browse folders. You do this early to avoid interruptions. After permissions are set, open the File Transfer window from the toolbar. This gives you a split view of local and remote directories, so you can start moving files. You now choose files. Either drag and drop between the local and remote panes or select items and click Send. For larger batches, compress folders first to reduce risk and speed up transfer. Make sure the remote path is correct. If you prefer, use Clipboard Sync for quick copy-paste of small files. Monitor the progress bar so you can pause or cancel if needed, and confirm file integrity by checking size and timestamps once the transfer completes to avoid corrupted data. To finish, open the transferred files on the remote machine to confirm they work. Check file sizes and timestamps to ensure completeness. Once done, close the file transfer window and properly disconnect the Anydesk session. If something goes wrong, retry sending as a compressed archive or split into smaller chunks. This often fixes timeouts. Also check firewall rules, Anydesk permissions, and network stability. If persistent issues remain, switch to an alternative port or try a different transfer mode to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.